Hey there, and welcome back to Mosaic in Minutes. I'm Chloe, and today we're playing around with icons in Mosaic. All right, let's jump straight in. We've got this lovely section here and a pretty solid request a quote button. But it's kind of asking for an icon, right? So let's grab one from the Add panel. Open the icon library from the toolbar. Here you can pick from 1,000 plus unique handmade icons across different styles. I'm going for a chat bubble, so let's search for that. Nice, that works. The size feels a bit chunky though, but no worries. Over in the Style panel, we can change the width and height. You could set both values manually, but there's a smarter way. Open the Unit dropdown and set one of them to Auto. Now, when I change the width, the height follows along automatically. Teamwork. All right, let's give another spot the icon treatment. This one's asking for it. There's already a default icon here, so let's swap it out. This time, though, we'll use our own custom icon. Just upload an SVG using the Upload icon button. I'll use this little truck icon. And there it is. Cute, right? Only the SVG code is extracted, so your media library stays nice and clean. The color's a bit intense, though, so let's tone it down. You can change it directly with the color picker, but for consistency, it's better to use a color variable. Pick the right one, much better. Okay, one more example before we wrap this up. These icon boxes look great, so let's add one ourselves. This time, I'll drop it in using the navigator. Okay, functional, but a bit plain. To get that styled background, we'll change the icon's main class. First, let's move the toolbar out of the way. Now switch this to an icon box and choose the right subclass. Yep, that's the one. You can also paste an SVG directly into Mosaic. I'll grab one straight from Figma. Same truck again. Right-click, copy as SVG, then just paste it right in. And boom, truck's back. Let's match it to the other icon boxes. We'll center it using a line. Nice, but it's still purple though. We already tried the color picker and variables, so let's do it another way. Click the T icon to use the current text color. And just like that, it turns white matching the others. Now the color is coming straight from the Style tab, specifically from the color property. And that's icons in Mosaic in minutes. Now go sprinkle some icons wherever they make sense. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if this helped, subscribe for more Mosaic in Minutes, and I'll see you in the next one.